Number 1.
1985 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500, well-maintained classic pickup that combines durability, style, and dependable performance. It has approximately 87,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission paired with a 5.0L V8 engine, delivering smooth and strong power. The truck runs well and has been kept in clean condition both inside and out. The exterior is finished in red, complemented by a burgundy interior, giving it a timeless and bold look. It runs on gasoline and is a 2WD, two-wheel drive, model, offering a solid driving experience.
The frame is strong and has been protected with rubberized undercoating for added durability.
Additional enhancements include professional X-Line Rhino lining on the truck bed for protection, 20-inch wheels and tires, rubber floor mats, and tinted windows for a sleek appearance.
Number 2.
1979 Ford F250, price $8,500, well-preserved pickup with only 86,000 actual miles on the odometer. It features a 4-speed manual transmission and runs on gasoline, delivering the raw, dependable power Ford trucks are known for. The exterior is finished in off-white, complemented by a blue interior. This truck has been carefully maintained and comes with several recent upgrades and restorations. It has received a new clutch, new windshield, Bluetooth CD player, new wheels, and new tires, all added within the past year. Adding to its authenticity, the truck still retains the original warranty card and dealership sales paperwork, making it an appealing option for collectors or enthusiasts who appreciate originality. It also comes with a few extra parts, including a new dash pad, new door weather stripping, and several other new items that enhance both comfort and preservation.
Number 3.
1992 GMC 1500, price $6,000, well-preserved classic pickup that shows a total mileage of around 235,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and features a striking blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a cohesive and timeless look. This truck runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong V8 351 engine that was completely rebuilt in 2013. Since the rebuild, the engine has only seen between 10,000 and 20,000 additional miles, ensuring it still has plenty of life and performance left. All major systems are in good working order, including the heat, air conditioning, power windows, and power locks, offering both comfort and convenience for everyday driving. The only minor issue is the radio, which is currently non-functional. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1983 Chevrolet Silverado, price $8,000, features a carbureted 350 engine equipped with AFR heads, a Stage 2 cam, and a Turbo 400 automatic transmission.
The engine starts up easily and runs strong, though the torque converter will need replacement.
As a project truck, it requires some restoration and attention to bring it to its full potential, so buyers should not expect a brand new or fully restored vehicle. This Silverado comes with a clean Texas Blue title and offers a solid foundation for a classic truck build. Its combination of a powerful small block V8, performance upgrades, and durable transmission makes it an excellent candidate for enthusiasts seeking a restoration project or a reliable platform for customization.
Number 5.
1994 Ford F250, price $9,800, low-mileage classic powered by a strong 7.5L V8 gasoline engine and a smoothie 4OD automatic transmission. With only 111,000 miles, it remains completely stock except for an upgraded Bluetooth stereo. The truck starts easily, runs perfectly, and drives straight and smooth, with every system in proper working order. The interior is in excellent condition, featuring clean upholstery, perfect glass, and original OEM Alcoa aluminum wheels. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, water pump, front and rear brakes, and a fully rebuilt fuel system with new tanks, pumps, and filters. It also has new spark plugs, wires, and a freshly serviced transmission. This well-maintained F250 combines originality, strength, and reliability.
Number 6.
1972 Chevrolet C10, price $6,000. It features a manual transmission, green exterior, black interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck has been lowered 2 inches in front and 4 inches in back, giving it a clean stance. Powered by its original 307 engine, upgraded with a 4-barrel carburetor and HEI ignition, it just needs a tune-up and carb rebuild, kit included. It uses a 3-on-the-tree manual shifter, making it a fun yet slightly tricky drive. Inside, it currently has bucket seats, but the original bench is included.
The bed floor is solid, though the liner could use refinishing.
Additional parts include door trim, a new seatbelt kit, and door panels. While the tires need replacement, the rust is mostly cosmetic and the floors are solid. With its natural patina and vintage charm, this C10 is a great candidate for light restoration or weekend cruising.
Number 7.
1985 Datsun 720, price $4,000. It has 176,000 miles on it and features a manual transmission. It comes in a satin black exterior with a blue interior. Powered by a gasoline engine, the truck has recently received several updates, including a fresh satin black paint job, brand new tires, a new alternator, a new drive belt, and a new battery. It starts easily and runs smoothly, making it ideal as a reliable daily driver, a fun project truck, or a solid foundation for a full restoration. Structurally, the frame is in excellent condition with no holes or major rust issues, which is uncommon for a vehicle of this age. While the body has a few dents and some surface rust on the passenger side lower cab area, these are purely cosmetic and do not affect its performance or drivability.
Number 8.
1981 Chevrolet K10, price $6,000. It is powered by a 350 SBC crate motor paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, offering reliable performance and solid power delivery. The engine features a comp cam, jegs long tube headers, and an Edelbrock 600 CFM carburetor with a matching Edelbrock intake manifold, ensuring improved airflow and throttle response. Additional enhancements include a jegs distributor and wires, new engine accessories, and a refreshed steering gearbox for smoother handling. Cooling has also been upgraded with a new radiator and electric fan, which is conveniently controlled by a switch inside the cab.
Number 9.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $5,500. This cool patina truck combines classic style with a range of modern upgrades, making it both eye-catching and reliable. It comes equipped with a new Holley carburetor, gas tank, and gas lines, ensuring smooth fuel delivery. The braking system has been fully refreshed with a new BrakeMaster cylinder, brake lines, brake shoes, calipers, and wheel cylinders, offering dependable stopping power. Under the hood, performance and reliability are enhanced with a new alternator, power steering pump, belts, radiator, starter, and a HEI billet aluminum distributor. It also features new tires, wheel bearings, and a full custom exhaust system that gives the truck a bold, throaty sound. Inside, the cabin blends vintage charm with modern convenience, featuring a Bluetooth radio and speakers for an upgraded driving experience.
Number 10.
1968 GMC 1500, price $7,850. Finished in an elegant shade of gray with a contrasting black interior, it captures the timeless styling that defined late 60s American pickups. Under the hood, it's powered by a dependable 350 V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth yet powerful driving experience. The combination of power steering and power brakes ensures comfortable and controlled handling. Even for a vehicle of its age, this GMC 1500 has recently been fitted with a new set of tires and still runs and drives well. However, as it has been sitting for some time, it would benefit from a bit of mechanical attention and routine maintenance to restore it to peak performance.